Dylan, what are we doing today?
Putting in my Vertex wheel.
What Vertex wheel?
The Vertex wheel I bought from you. This one.
Show it off to all the people at home. King of Vertex. Oh shit, it's going in the Veloster. Today, I bought this Vertex wheel for my GTO when I was building everything. Because I ordered the one that's actually in my car, and they said that it would be 5 months before it ever showed up. But I got this one in the mail. I got this one off Facebook Marketplace for a good price, and I didn't have a use for it. I got in the mail, and before I could even put it in the car, that one ended up coming in. So like 2 months ahead of time, which was awesome, but I just bought this one. So Dylan, he's got the white car. He wanted to do yellow accents and like gold accents and stuff. So I had the gold accented Vertex wheel. So I sold it to him, and now we're putting it in his car. It's gonna look good in here. Step one with doing anything electronic or airbag related. Take the battery off. Disconnect it, and then what did you say we had to do? We had to leave it sit for like 5 minutes?
6 minutes, so that ECU and everything like loses power, I guess.
So, but we're gonna remove these fuses just so like it's just another safety precaution, so nothing else can happen.
Yeah. I would assume bag means airbag.
Yeah.
Fuse switch.
On.
Off and on.
So now everything's off.
Yeah, I guess.
So it's like a breaker box. Like you just like turn like the master.
There's
off.
like one thing that switches up and down right here. It's off.
It's behind that.
Screw here and a screw here, and they're like the star ones.
Okay.
There are two of them right here.
Are the
all
ones...
this does? Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Because it's like
mine had remember it had like a clocking mechanism in it. And I had to like turn the thing like behind the steering wheel. It was weird. Doesn't have any power to it. You should be fine.
How do you do it?
Okay, so we took these two screws out on the side, and that was literally the only thing that was holding the airbag in, and then it just popped out. So now that the airbag is out, this is the clip that is holding the power to the airline, to the airbag. So now we gotta figure out how to unclip this.
I want to watch.
I don't know.
It's like clipped. See that? That's clipped and it's folded over. So this needs to come out like this.
Got it.
Got it. Okay, good. There's the bomb.
Oh god. Catch. Hot potato. We literally put the breaker bar on it and it broke like with ease, but yeah. Is there any other electronics that we gotta?
Just the two clips up here. God damn it.
Ah, yeah. Like how much farther back could it go? Because it's on the spline because it's not turning. It's on there. But look at the gap right here.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
Tighten the absolute shit out of it. Well, that was a really easy install. Wheel's in. We just have the hub on, and then we're gonna order the quick release later. But we just wanted to get the wheel in right now. So
Because I have it.
yeah, we have it and the hub. So before the quick release gets here, like
Wheels coming soon. The thing is, I don't want to like do this when I drive anymore, just because I don't want to get the gold dirty.
oh dude, mine's already like fucking filthy.
Really?
Yeah. Just cause like the oils on my hands and stuff.
Okay. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Just feeling all that shit on the wheel too.
Yeah. All those like little letters and stuff. You won't feel it in like a week. It looks really cool.